Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Discover Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in homeloans.discover.com/account center and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Discover Mortgages. Now within the user ID section, type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account in the first place and then type in the password for your account within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Discover Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or user ID, you will find the Forgot User ID or Password option underneath the login box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Discover Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.